I, Kapil Kapoor, welcome you to the session of the Nutrition Science Certification course. Till now, you have learnt about the role and importance of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. And now, let us learn about other important facts related to nutrition. Now, we will understand the importance of carbohydrates and fats in our food. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy in our body. This means that we get maximum energy in the easiest way from carbohydrates. A healthy person who consumes about 1800 calories a day in his meals requires a daily amount of 300 grams of carbohydrates. On the other hand, a person who consumes 1400 calories in order to reduce body fat requires 225 grams of carbohydrates every day. Now, let's take a look at fats. A healthy person's average daily requirement of fat is about 40 grams. Out of this, 20 grams should be consumed in the form of visible fats such as ghee or oil, and the remaining 20 grams from invisible fats that are already present inside the food. Actually, in Indian food, carbohydrates and fats are available in more quantities than is required, which means that we consume more than the required quantity of carbohydrates and fats, but we do not consume adequate amounts of remaining four primary nutrients, namely proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Yes, this is why we keep fighting with problems like various diseases, lack of good health, and many other illnesses. Up till now, we have seen which nutrients are found abundantly in our food and which are the other important nutrients that we lack. But why do our daily meals lack proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber? This is the time to try and understand. Breakfast is the most important part of our everyday diet. It is the most important meal of the day. But is the breakfast we consume in India really nutritive and health boosting? Does the availability of nutrients in it match the required daily amounts of protein, vitamin, mineral, and fiber? Let us take a look. Let us observe the different breakfast items that are eaten in the various states of India. On testing the North Indian aloo paratha, the puri bhaji eaten in East India, poha and jalebi or fafda and jalebi eaten in Central India, or the South Indian dosa and idli, we find that they contain much less amount of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber than the required amount. One of the problems is that they contain nutrients in very less quantities, but contain abundant calories and fats. That is why this leads to obesity and various other diseases. This is how we have learned that various breakfast items that are eaten in India do not provide us with the adequate amount of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It is important that we have breakfast that has adequate amounts of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber so that it gives us enough energy, saves us from loss of muscles, and keeps us healthy. Therefore, breakfast should consist of items that will provide us with the adequate quantities of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Do make a note. This will provide us with energy, save us from loss of muscles, increase our stamina, and we will remain healthy. For this, protein supplements are helpful, especially those that are rich in high-quality soy protein isolate. On the other hand, we should take necessary supplements as needed for vitamins, minerals, and fiber in order to meet our daily requirements. Let us understand about some important questions and their answers related to breakfast. First question: which nutrients are abundant and which ones are inadequate in our daily breakfast? The answer is, our daily breakfast usually contains high amounts of carbohydrates and fats, and Indian daily breakfast items usually contain inadequate quantities of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. What kind of breakfast you need to consume? Yes, you should have a daily breakfast that contains proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And for this, you require high quality health supplements which provide fiber and also protein. The best one is high quality soy protein isolate. With this, you may also have to take health supplements that make up for deficiency of vitamins, minerals, and fiber from your food. Thank you.